Well, hello there, YouTube friends. I'm back again doing some cast iron cooking. Got my brand new Lodge skillet on the hot plate. Got this little Lodge pan or skillet and this Lodge skillet. Cast iron pot back there. Got some bacon and onion sauteing. Some Crisco. Some lard. Skillet's been preheating for a while now. Tell you what we're fixing to do. We're fixing to add some cabbage. Head of cabbage I chopped up, part of it, and some fried potatoes. Let's get started. Bump her up. Cabbage, taters, more potatoes, more cabbage. Cabbage and potatoes. Got more potatoes than I do cabbage. Cast iron cooking in a Lodge skillet. Brand new skillet I just bought last weekend. Chopped up the cabbage. Don't have my salt and black pepper back here, but I'm going to come back with a part 2 when it's closer to being done. Get all this chopped up cabbage in there. Fried potatoes. Cabbage, bacon, Crisco, and lard. Get every last piece. Start to fry it pretty good. Cast iron cooking. Cabbage, potatoes, bacon for flavor, onion sauteed for flavor. Seasoning already. There you have it. I'm going to add some black pepper. There's the bacon. See the bacon. Going to fry this up. Add some salt, black pepper. I'll be back with a part 2. Lodge skillet, cast iron cooking on a hot plate. In my, what I call a man cave. Another hot plate over here with a Lodge skillet. This Lodge skillet. Iron pot. Fried cabbage and potatoes with bacon and onion. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with something else. Come back with the part 2 on this when it's done and show you the finished product. Have a good day.